Greetings all and welcome back to the second video of your MS Excel. And today we are getting into more in depth of math formula, and we're going to use Excel to do it. No need to know any maths. Don't worry, we're going to give the job to Excel to do it for us. So let me open my Excel. So in the last class, you all saw what are rows, columns, cells, different parts of Excel. So now we are getting into typing in Excel and doing some basic calculation. So I'm zooming the screen. Let me just quickly take, always, the first row, try to give the heading. If your table has any heading, then please try to give it in the first row. Okay, so I'm just going to take some class marks. So let me quickly take some names. Okay, so I've taken names like these, and I'm taking some sample marks. Let me probably, yeah. Okay, so this is my table. Let me add borders. So for borders, you can go here, click on all borders. So then your table looks good with borders, and the where I have my title, let me give it some color. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. Now, for this kind of table, let me, ask a question. That is, I want to know the total marks. Basically, I want to know the total of all the marks. Okay, I want to know the total of all the marks. So whenever you want to know the total of all the marks, use the sum formula. Is equal to sum, open bracket, select the range, close bracket, enter. Okay, is equal to sum, open bracket, select the range, close bracket, and enter. You can also do one more way. Is equal to sum, open bracket, select the first cell, comma, second cell, comma, third, comma, 4, comma, 5, comma, 6th, comma, 7th, comma, 8th, close bracket, enter. It's going to give you the same answer. If you see, it's going to give you the same answer. So this is for addition. Whenever you want to add, please use the sum formula. Now let's say I want to know the smallest mark, the least mark. Who got the smallest mark? Okay. So for that, you need to use minimum formula is equal to min, open bracket, select the range again, close bracket, enter. So you can see that the smallest mark is 21 and Anjana has got it. Okay. So for minimum, you use is equal to min formula. And let's say I want to know the highest mark. So for highest mark, use maximum is equal to max, open bracket. You can select from top to bottom or bottom to top, anyway is fine. And if you want, the marks can be all in capital or all small alphabets, that will also do. And then enter. You can see that the highest mark is 100 and Rishi has got it. Last formula, let's say for the second last formula is I want to know the average of the marks. So whenever you want to know the average, select is equal to average, open bracket. I told you from down to up also you can do, close bracket, enter. So here you get your average. So we did sum, we did minimum, we did maximum, we did average. Okay, now out of context, let's learn a formula. Let's say I want to know today's date. Okay, so if you want to know today's date is equal to today, open bracket, close bracket, enter. What did I do? Is equal to today, open bracket, close bracket, enter. Now in this, if you see, it's coming as March 28, 2022. Basically, I'm getting my month first, and then I'm getting the date. Date has got 2 digits, so I have DD, and year has got 4, 2022. So 4, so 4 Y's, Y for year. So this is the format in which I'm getting it. When I type today as a formula, you can always change it to any other format. Let's say I want it to come as 28/03/2022, meaning what is the format? DD, that is date, /MM, okay, because month I've given as a 2 digit, and Y. Okay, so when you want to change this, select this down arrow, click on more number formats, click on custom. Over here, you type DD/MM/YYYY and then say okay. See, automatically it changes to this format. Okay, so this is how you can change your date format to anything. It can be anything. This is just a sample how to change, but you can change it to anything. So what did you learn in this video? How to enter the data, how to create borders. I gave a color over here. We learned 5 formula. Now let's do a small activity. Okay, we're going to do a small assignment. I don't want this Excel, so I'm closing it. Okay, so this is the image which is shared. Okay, so seeing this, please do the data entry into your Excel the same way. So open your Excel. Okay, so if you're not going to print it, have it as a split screen like this. Okay, try to arrange and have it as a split screen so that it's easier to type. Okay, so first let me give the headings: roll number, name, accountancy, English, maths, economics, business studies. Okay, so roll number 1, Akhilesh, 97, 36, 47, 13, and 34. So like this, you can go on and typing. Roll number 2, Ruchi, 69, 85, 86, 51, and 53. Okay, so you can go on and type like this. After you complete typing, it is going to look something like this. So if you see that I've completed typing, I selected this whole table. Let me expand this. I clicked on all borders. Then just for the first row, I gave a color. Okay, you can give any color of your choice, but I've given this green color. Okay. And this is how it looks. After this, you can save your file, save as. Let me save it under desktop as my name, assignment 1. Okay, so with this, we are coming to the end of today's concepts. See you all in the next video with more exciting Excel concepts.